ಯಾಕೆ ಪವರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತೊಂದರೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ದ ಪ್ರಿಲಿಮಿನರಿ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಹವ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಅನಸ್, ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆರೆ ಜಾಗ ಇದೆಯಂತೆ. ಕೆರೆ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೋರ್ ಕೊಡ್ದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವಿತೌಟ್ ಎನಿ ಇಂಟಿಮೇಷನ್ ಟು ದ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಸ್ ಒಬ್ಟೈನ್ಡ್ ದಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಸಪ್ಲೈ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಡ್ ಇಮ್ ಅ ನೋಟಿಸ್. He unilaterally goes to the civil court, obtains an interim order against us. That interim order is vacated. Then there is a Majar conducted by the irrigation department, Tahsildar. After the Majar is conducted, when it is brought to the knowledge and when it is verified that the well or the bore which is in the lake, inside the lake, they have disconnected. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪ್ರಿಲಿಮಿನರಿ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಆನ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್.
ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಟ್. In fact, ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾ?
No, my lord, no, my lord.
In fact, my respectful submission is we have acted based on the instructions of the irrigation department and the government, Tahsildar. ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ they will be able to assist the court where exactly whether this particular borewell what the petitioner claims is within this private land or is it within the.
ನಿಮ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಏನು?
Kindly see, they had issued notice way back in the year 2021, which are produced as Annexure E, my lord. Page number 30.
Who had issued notice?
Lord, it was issued by the respondent number 3 in this case, my lord. Saying that you have to produce documents to show whether this borewell is in your private land or whether it is in that tank land.
What did you produce?
Your lordship may kindly see, I had taken the engineers themselves to the spot itself, my lord. And after they ascertained everything, my lord, they said, Illappa, ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೇನು ಹಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಬೆಳೆ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. And your lordship may kindly see, it was the neighbors, my lord, who are giving complaints to the department to disconnect, saying that they have encroached the tank area, my lord.
What do you grow?
I'm growing banana, my lord.
ಅದೇನಾರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಾ?
My lord?
ಅದೇನಾರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಾ?
No, my lord. No, for a moment, your lordship may kindly see, my lord. The Annexure F, my lord. In fact, it was the private parties who were harassing me, my lord. Hence, I had to file a bare eviction suit against.
Because of this, plant should not dry.
Lord, no mahashar has been done, my lord. Nothing has been ascertained whether
You restore whatever is there temporarily till the next date.
And my lord, he has got 3 acres of land, my lord, for this power supply, water supply for this 3 acres of land, my lord. This borewell is that should run, my lord.
My respectful submission on this issue is, my lord, we have not done it
ಆಯ್ತು,
unilaterally.
ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡೋಣ. The poor farmer should grow his yield and
ಇವಾಗ
get some
ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ
money.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ our officers were put to enquiry before the ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತ. ಇದು ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತ
ಈ ಬೋರ್ವೆಲ್
ಈ ಬೋರ್ವೆಲ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಗೋಸ್ಕರ
3 ಎಕರೆಗೆ ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತಾಗ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ವಿಲೇಜರ್ಸ್ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ರು ಸಹ ಇವ್ರು ಕಿತ್ತಾಕ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವನ ಜೊತೆ ಶಾಮೀಲಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್. ಅವರ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟು ಫೇಸ್ ದಿ ನೋಟಿಸಸ್ issued from.
Something is rightly done.
So after the interim order by the civil court is vacated on 4/3.
Anyway, you give connection till the next date. We will decide if there is anything to.
May I make one submission? Let the irrigation department and the other.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್, ಈಗ ಗಿಡ ಹಾಳಾಗ್ಬಾರ್ದಲ್ಲ. Whatever pictures is produced, they are full grown crops.
I don't know whether that is as on now standing or.
ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಆಸ್ ಆನ್ ಟುಡೇನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
Lord,
ನೀವೇನು ಆಲ್ಬಮ್ ತಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
yes, my lord. In fact,
APMC ಕೊಡಕ್ಕ?
no, my lord.
ಮತ್ತೆ?
250 banana standing plantations, my lord. They have been bulldozed, my lord.
Bulldoze why?
Saying that it is in the tank bud area, my lord.
Not by our department.
No, my lord. It is bulldozed, my lord.
Who has bulldozed?
Absolute hooliganism by the revenue inspector and the village accountant there, my lord.
ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್.
And I have got 3 acres of land adjacent to the tank area, my lord. Without drawing sketch, my lord, whether this borewell is in this area or not.
The counsel for the petitioner projects plethora of illegalities in the action that is impugned in the case at hand. He would further contend that the power supply to the plantation of the petitioner, who has now grown banana in 3 acres of land, is it?
2.32 acres of land, my lord.
On 2.32 acres of land are now going dry for the purpose of want of water. As power supply is cut, and necessarily water supply as a consequence is cut.
Power
Therefore,
supply to transformer, my lord.
so and so. Therefore, the learned counsel A. Chandrachud, representing the respondents, would submit that they have acted on the instruction of the irrigation department, and those, the irrigation department is to be made party respondents to this proceeding. The learned counsel submits that he would implead the irrigation department. The needful be done in the course of the day.
The revenue department also, Your Honor.
ಯಾಕೆ ಯಾರು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರೆವಿನ್ಯೂನ?
In fact, there,
ಇರಿಗೇಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೆವಿನ್ಯೂ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. So and so. Till the next date of hearing, the power supply to the plantation of the petitioner shall be restored so that the plants would not go dry and the petitioner leading to penury for the reason. On that reason, lest this matter, ಯಾವತ್ತು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಸಾಹೇಬ್? 16th, 18th ಹಾಕ್ತೇನೆ.
my request for hand delivery of the order, my lord.
ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ. Yes.
Officer was also there. I'll just instruct.
List on 18th in the fresh matters list.